Oh my God.
I know what kind of man you are.
Hey, thanks for coming, but we're all set.
But I know you from somewhere.
He's letting me go.
He's letting you go?
Yeah, your job's pretty easy today. All you have to do now is stand there and let me look at you. Me, you, dinner.
What the? Ow!
I know, I get that reaction a lot.
I create feelings in others that they themselves don't understand.
Oh!
Disgusting!
Okay, I didn't want to have to do this, Doc, but you leave me no choice.
Boring.
Here she goes again.
So what do you want him to do?
Fix the road.
Because we are a town worth fixing.
I am so not taking you to dinner.
That's okay. Stickers. You can take Bessie.
Bessie? Who's Bessie? No. Out of gas? How can I be out of gas?
Boy, we ain't as dumb as you think we are.
But how did you...
We siphoned your gas while you were passed out. Ka-chow.
Ow!
Is that what I think it is?
Customers, everyone!
We're in the middle of nowhere.
Honey, please.
Hello.
Who are you?
Welcome to Radiator Springs, gateway to Ornament Valley, legendary for its quality service and friendly hospitality. How can we help you?
No.
Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like a flame job.
Oh,
maybe
thanks,
gold
man.
flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
It looks awful.
Now it matches the rest of the town.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Red,
Criminal offensive side eye.
Start your engines!
Híjole, check that out.
great idea, Doc. Now the road will never get done. Doc, look at this. Should have tossed him into a cactus a lot sooner. Oh, Red, you missed a spot. See it right there in the hood, right? Thanks, Red.
What? I don't get it.
Nothing. I just thought I'd say thank you for doing a great job. So I thought I'd let you stay with me. Oh, not with me, but there. Not with me there, but there in your own cozy cone.
Wait, you're being nice to me.
Hey, what are you doing?
It's okay, Sheriff. You can trust me, right?
I trust you, all right. It's him I'm worried about.
I trust him.
Yeah, boy.
Come on, let's take a drive.
A drive?
Yeah, a drive.
Don't you basically race cars and just take a drive?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Act natural.
All right, what's going on?
Please welcome the new Lightning McQueen.
What do you think?
I'll say.